Hello, customers. I'm Jason. I come from Cardot company. Today I will introduce a new product. Its name is Bluetooth immobilized system. This product fits all cars, no matter what is key start or push start. So this is a good product. Also, its collection is very easy. Now I will show you how does it work. This is Cardot app. Bluetooth is off, and this switch just like a start switch, ignition switch. This is Bluetooth, the Bluetooth module. Also, it is immobilized module. I connected to the LED bulb. Just this oil pass wire, two wires. I connect this LED bulb because I want to check its working conditions, and you will check its functions clearly. So this is Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth plug. This is red and black cut. If you have not cut the smart card, you cut two cables and connect them to the your car constant 12. And then this is emergency reset button. When your mobile phone has not power, when you forget, take your mobile phone, and then you can unlock your car door, and then take out this, and this system, Bluetooth system, is disabled, and then you can drive your car as normal. Now I will show you functions directly. Now the Bluetooth is off. When I start, this LED bulb is off. You cannot start. Okay, when I turn on Bluetooth, okay, Bluetooth is blue color, is active. Then I start. Wow, that's good. Okay. That is to say, when you get close to your car, Bluetooth is connected automatically, and then you can drive your car. Okay, you can start your car. And then you will ask me, when my car engine is running, if my Bluetooth is off, maybe it's dangerous for my driving. Don't worry. As for this product, when you turn off the Bluetooth suddenly, it won't engine off. Won't be engine off. Okay. Now turn off Bluetooth. Bluetooth is disappear and engine is running, so it's safe. So don't worry about this. And then I turn off engine and Bluetooth is off. You will ask me, I can start engine? Yes, you can start engine again within 1 minute. I show you. Yes. Now Bluetooth, and then you can press start. This is a software procedure setting in the factory for other purpose. And then turn off again. After 1 minute, I will start again. If cannot start engine as normal, this is normal feature. That's correct feature. Please wait 1 minute.